Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to the student of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 2, Subject English Text, Topic 1.1, Bridge. Hello dear students! Once again I am here with a beautiful poem which will show you the beauty of nature. First let me recite the poem. Ready? Unit 1, Bridge. Boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the seas, but clouds that sails across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and build up roads from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Children, now let's sing a song together.
Boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Boat sails on the rivers and ship sails on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these.
Wow, very nice. So beautifully sung. Now children, let me explain you what the poem tells us. The poet admires the natural beauty of flying clouds, which looks better than moving ships and seas. The poet says that the rainbow which connects heaven and earth is more gorgeous than bridges made up on rivers. The poet compares rainbow with a bridge built on treetop which links earth and sky. Wow, it's so wonderful to know about nature, isn't it? So student, tell me, what do we learn today? Yes, value of connection. Connection with the nature. Means how we are connected directly or indirectly with the nature. Really, nature is very beautiful. Now let's see the difficult words with their meanings. First, sail, travel on water. Bow, a rainbow. Overtops, exceed in height. Now let's start with exercise. Wow, ready with your books? First, write down the things that have following colors. Children, make two columns. First column colors, second column things. Now first column I'll be giving you the names of the colors, and in the second columns you have to write the things related with that same color. Ready? First we'll take down the colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Yeah, these are the rainbows. Rainbow color. Let's see in nature what we have with these colors. Ready? Violet, brinjal, grapes, jamun. Wow. Indigo, peacock feathers, flowers. Right. Blue, sky, sea, blueberry. Wow, very good. Green, leaf, parrot, grass. Yellow, sunflower, banana, lemon. Wow, that's great. Orange, orange and marigold. Red, yeah, apple, rose and tomatoes. Wow, these are the beautiful colors things which we are getting in nature itself. Next, let's see some answer the following questions. Name the different colors you can see in the rainbow, children. Start. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Very good. Next question. What can you see in the sky if you look up during the day? During the day, I can see the sun, clouds and birds. Wow, very nice. Now children, let's look and say few difficult words of the poem. Ready? Say after me and take down in your notebook too. River, sky, sea, clouds, bridges, heaven, across, earth, prettier, ships, bow and overtops. So children, hope you all enjoyed learning. Keep learning every day. Keep smiling every day. Thank you.